Jodlin. Yes, I am Jodlin. And today I'm in Karofi Dyeing Center in Lafia, Nasarawa State. So obviously I'm going to be seeing the process where they go through the dyeing process, and it's an age-long practice here. Like everyone, as every person doing this business in this area. So we are going to watch how, and finally we'll see the material. And guys, you will love it. You know, you will love it. So let's go. So the Karofi Dyeing Center is located near the kafar fada at the Emir's Palace in Lafia, that is as Nasarawa State, the northern part of Nigeria. More like it's in the middle belt, but it's the northern part of Nigeria. So at the dye pit, the traditional clothes mostly worn by the people in that area, though some of these clothes are being exported out of Nigeria to neighboring countries, they are woven and they are dyed in various sizes, various designs. It's an interesting place to be. So whenever you're in Nasarawa State and in Lafia, ensure to check it out. So here is me on my way to the Karofi Dyeing Center, and to take you guys through the process, and you see you see the pit for yourself, and everything was an interesting ride. So the pit is as old as Lafia town. Like it is as old as Lafia town. The pit has been there. It's a tourist center for everyone. Both there are different varieties who have come, who have visited. These people have gotten lot of. It's more like a generational business, It's an interesting site to behold. So welcome guys to the Karofi Dyeing Center, Lafia. Lafia is a beautiful state, and this is not my first time in Lafia, so it was an interesting time coming back to Lafia, and yes, I had a good time. Enjoy guys. It's what?
White. Allow you when I second. That one. Nice. Allow you. This thing.
Okay.
Allow you.
What is it used for? Baba.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not understanding the term. Okay, now no, I don't.
Like chemical now.
Okay, it's chemical.
Baba, like chemical. When I put it inside this thing.
Okay.
Washing down before and put on when I satisfied.
Okay.
Like you're doing like this one. And this one, you're doing like this one.
Okay. Like this is it now.
Yeah.
Okay, they will twist this thing first.
Yeah.
Where do they do it? Where do they twist this one? Where?
Yeah, she's not going to that one, not the she.
Where? They do it at home?
With allura, when I catch like this before, and I put the she on allura when I do it.
Okay. What's the English name for the allura?
Very English allura. Very English.
Okay. So that's Ibrahim, that was my interpreter. So he was trying to let me know how the whole process are, and you could hear him. So this is like the final outcome. I'm still going to show you like two more designs. This is one of the design, the final outcome, where they, after that white, they use the whatever the rope they use in tying it, and then they put it inside the dye pit. After some time, bring it out, dry it, put it back, then the whole process. This is the final outcome. Okay. Mm. So like this now they'll do it. Will they keep it inside?
Outer start black. You put to keep him here.
Okay. For sun to eat.
For sun to push him before. Put on again when I do it. The time when I like 1 hour we finish with them.
So like this now, I will not sun it.
Like this is example.
Like
this is example. When I show you that.
What example?
Here, like example.
Okay.
Example show you about the picture of this, that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you will not sun on the sun for it to dry, then you put it again.
Yeah. Can I see?
Okay, you're supposed to dry it too, then before you put it again.
Yes.
Okay.
But no chemical inside here.
Okay.
Before when I put this chemical like fada and baba, when I put here, I put to dry.
Okay, to be dried.
To be dry. About that one.
Okay.
That this here is a part of chemical.
Okay.
The remaining they here when I use them.
Okay. What happened? After you put it back for 1 hour, then it will not be dried?
Yeah. To be 1 hour finish. Using like this one.
Okay, then you now lose it and dry it.
Yeah. You tie it, after tie it, when I'm washing, putting,
okay, you wash it first, then you
wash it.
Okay. So, yeah, it's one of the designs of the print of the dye, of the dyeing outcome. This is one of the design. So they're telling me here how quality it was, because I was asking them of the quality and the duration, and does it wash, like doesn't fade, and they were like, no, it doesn't fade, but when you wash it the first time, it washes off with some color, and that is the only thing, and it can stay for as long as 5 to 10 years depending on how you use it. And I asked around apart from this place, and yes, it was confirmed that that is true. Like, this material stays so long, and it can be dyed in different prints. So there's something white on it, so when they give you, look at those white things, I don't know if you can see them. So once they give it to you and they remove it, that shows that you've bought them. So that's like the preservative I don't know how to put it, but that's what they use in preserving it till it's been sold. So this is another design. So there's white particles on it. So guys, yeah, I was going back after a wonderful time at the Karofi Dyeing Center. Thanks guys, see you later.